Hi, I'm Hannah and this is my nighttime skin routine. So I'm taking my makeup off with a balm cleanser. I really like using balm cleansers because they feel really beautiful and they help to dissolve all of my makeup without leaving my skin feeling tight or dry. And I usually like to do a double cleanse, so I'll just use the balm twice. Usually the balm gets everything off, but if you have anything left over like waterproof mascara, I just take that off with an eye makeup remover. My skin's usually pretty good, but I did start to develop a little bit of pigmentation in my teenage years. So I've got a little bit around my mouth and just on the tops of my cheeks. So I really like to use products that help to brighten. I exfoliate regularly and I make sure that every day I wear an SPF. 2 times a week, I like to use an exfoliating serum. I just find using exfoliators helps to keep cell turnover moving and it helps to lighten my pigmentation. As well as using an exfoliation product, I find it really important to use retinol for my pigmentation. It really helps to fight the discoloration, and this one is particularly awesome because I can just use it in targeted areas and I only need a really small amount. I've definitely noticed a difference since I've started using retinol. It wasn't an instant change, but I'm definitely seeing the results in my skin now. On nights where I do a stronger exfoliation, I like to use a mask. This one's got vitamin C, which really helps to brighten. It's super hydrating and I like to use it on my neck and also on the backs of my hands. And yeah, that's my routine.